Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back today with another video, and today I'm here to share an altered index card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. This is her open collaboration. You can create, not create. You don't have to do it every week. So it's very, very lenient, and it's a lot of fun. I truly enjoy doing it. This is my second year. Now, there have been a couple weeks that I have not participated, but I'm back and creating. So today I'm here to do a index card. She has opened it up to index cards and time cards from the Dollar Tree. And normally it's just playing cards, Uno cards, flash cards, and stuff like that. But this year is index, any kind, any size index cards you'd like to alter. So today I altered a 4x6 index card. So this week is week 32, August 7th, for hashtag Deck the Year. And I kind of went shabby this week. I used some papers that I had laying around. I added, so I did a collage like I always do. I love collaging. I don't know what it is. That has been my go-to lately. Every time I do a card, I collage with all my papers. I have so many scraps. So I used some old, what do you call this? What do you call that? Rose trim or something. And I cut them up. Here are some, in the back I used some little doilies that I had in this little bag of snippets and just little things that I want to use up. So I use some, oh sorry, I use some of this trim, which is very different and unusual. This is a paper Prima, an old paper Prima flower. This is a pearl brad. I have a trinket box full of brads and things like that. So once in a while I bring that out. Then I use some buttons. This is a oldie but goodie. I don't know what do you call them. They're like wired mesh butterflies with a little gem in the center. I used a button and a button down here. I added some really pretty lace on the bottom here. And yeah, and then I added some words from my container. Enjoy your happy accidents. So, I don't know. Is this an accident? I kind of went this route of a shabby card. I think I was inspired by Susan Heartstrings. She does a lot of pretty pink and girly cards, and I wanted to do that too. It's been a while. I also inked the edges with vintage photo, but I kept it kind of not as dark like I normally like to do it. I'd love to really grunge it up, and but this I just really kept it really simple and very dainty. So, so this is my altered index card for hashtag Deck the Year 2025. I'll have the hashtag in the description, and I'll have Penny's channel down below, so you can go check her out And also, guys, check everybody else out on the hashtag. Everyone does an amazing, amazing job on whatever they're altering. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.